We're here with Leslie, and I'm infiltrating her vlog.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Austin here on Leslie's channel. You know, just doing a quick anytime.
Hi guys, it's the retired YouTuber, Mary Nicole and Marina Sullivan. We're both retired YouTubers. Hi you guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm Leslie. If you are new here, hello, and welcome back if you are not new here. So we're doing a vlog. I just finished filming another video. If you guys don't see it, then I wasn't happy with it, but it was a spiritually based life lessons video, and those always make me so nervous just because I don't know, like, it's personal, and then it's about something that I feel very passionate about, so you just never know how it's going to be received. So that's why I feel a little bit anxious. So I'm just going to edit that video right now, and that's why I'm all like done up and stuff. But the makeup came out cute. I like it. I like how it came out. I'm really feeling it. I'm here in the parking lot at Century City. Just wanted to give you guys a good little intro. I'm gonna have a me day today because yeah, I just feel like I need some me time. I want to like grab a smoothie, walk around, shop a little bit. I got some returns to do. Yesterday was a very long day. It was a great long day and it was fun, but I need to like decompress. And you know, yesterday was just overstimulating. It was great though. It was a great day. I did my friend's hair at work. Since we were chopping it up, it took me longer. It always takes me longer to do hair when I'm busy talking and stuff. So if I'm like quiet and like the client's just talking, I can work faster. But if like I'm being very like interactive, yeah, it's gonna take a little bit longer. What's it called? After that, we were supposed to go to my friend's pop-up, but yeah, not for the last 30 minutes. It just, yeah, I was supposed to be off at 5. I didn't finish her hair until like a little bit after 7 o'clock. So we just decided to meet up with my man and my son. We went to Mercado. If you're in the LA area, that's on 3rd and Fairfax, near the Grove. Everything was amazing. The spot is cute. So yeah, and then I just want to like, you know, just vibe out. I just want to throw my glasses on, vibe out, not be bothered. But I do want you guys to come with me. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I don't even know what to say at this point. Are we focused? There you go. Are we? The camera's nervous. Hello? Hello? The camera's not acting right. Hello? We're here with Leslie, and I'm infiltrating her vlog. Oh my god. Just to say hello. You guys should subscribe. Thank you, Desi. Yes, of course. It's so nice to meet you. It's so nice to meet you too. I ran into them and I'm just like in so much awe just because you're such an inspiration. And look at Baby Ocean. Baby Ocean's hanging out. Hey. I won't bother you anymore. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Bye. My god, you guys, did that really just happened? Oh my god, that is so crazy. Like, to think that like I came here to have some me time and to like vlog, and then it's just like I run into Desi. Oh my god, I love her so much. And then it's just like I just feel so aligned that I'm doing the right thing, and it's just like, oh my god, she's so down to earth, she's so cool. Her husband is so sweet. Oh my god, like just how it all happened. I was like literally so nervous and scared. I did not want to invade her space. I was just like, when I first saw her, I'm like, is that Shay Michelle? But then I was just like, no, because she's got a girl. And I was like, oh, that's Ocean. I'm like, is that Desi? And then she sees me like looking at her. And so I'm looking at her and I'm like, wait, I don't want to like be like staring and be like awkward and weird. And then I was just like, I don't ever like usually spot people, which is weird because it's like, I'm just so oblivious. And like as an LA native, like I respect people's privacy and like boundary and like space, period. And it's just like, it's so normal for me to like see celebrities and stuff. And like, I mean, honestly, at this point, she's so successful. Like she's a, you know, a successful like YouTuber. Like she's a celebrity to me. So I'm just like, okay. But then I see her husband and I'm like, excuse me, are you Desi's husband? He goes, yeah. And I was just like, so that's Desi? He's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh my god. He's like, you can go say hi. And I was like, I don't want to, like, you know, you guys are out. And he's like, it's okay. And then she walks over and then we just talk and I'm just like, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let me calm down. Anyways, I'll see you guys at home. I'll show you what I got. It's really dark in here. I had to come in here. I need to cool down. I need this AC high. Hey you guys, so I'm just about to get ready for tonight. I'm going bowling with my friends. I kind of feel a certain kind of way, but it's okay. I'm more than likely about to get my period. But so I'm just in my feelings, but I'm gonna do the best to not let my feelings determine how my night goes. I'm really just going to enjoy it, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. To show you guys my outfit. It's pretty basic, just leggings and Vans on some chill-ish, you know. Anyways, I'm so full because I just had to eat before actually you know, drinking and stuff with friends. Actually, the sun went down. I can take these off, but yeah. Ooh, it smells. We're here. I'm excited.
What's up, you guys? It's Austin here on Leslie's channel. You know, just doing a quick, there they are, there they are, there they are. Quick guest intro. We're having fun. We got a bowl of, we lost our bowl, but we're doing great, and we're gonna bowl, so. Yeah.
That was good, Austin.
I can't believe I said bowl too many times.
Hi guys, it's the retired YouTuber, Mary Nicole and Marina Sullivan. We're both retired YouTubers.
Yeah, we're
washed up, old, recently given up on our dreams. I'm just playing. Edit this out. No, you can put it in there. I'm just playing.
We'll run it by later on, see how you feel about it.
This camera camera's so nice. The G7S.
I keep looking at myself instead of the camera.
Yeah. This was nice.
Hey, Leslie,
like with the
editing
angle.
later.
Look, try this as for vlogging. This would have been life changing.
Wow.
Hi you guys, so this is me editing right now. I don't have an outro, so this is gonna be my outro, and I just wanted to redirect the ending of the vlog back to sort of like the beginning of the vlog that I was talking about, how the last video that I posted, which was this one right here, books that started my healing, self-worth, and self-love journey. Storytime SBLL series. So yeah, this video, I'm so surprised as to how well it's doing, just because these videos are the types of videos that flop. And just like editing and rewatching my clips and putting everything together, I'm like, how crazy that I started this vlog off with talking about that I was nervous about that video, and you know, if you see it, you see it, if you don't, you don't. And I'm just very passionate about that, like that subject, and talking about like my faith and how being spiritually guided, and you know, the lessons that I've learned throughout, you know, having a relationship with God. And then I was like so nervous after that, like I just didn't want to look, I didn't want to refresh and like look at the views. I'm like, it's gonna flop, it's gonna flop. And then like after refreshing it, seeing like how well it did and how it stayed at #1 for like the first 3 days out of like all of my most recent videos, I was just like, oh my god, this is crazy. And then running into Desi Perkins at Century City, as like I was like, okay, I'm gonna take today as a me day, and I'm just going to vlog and you know like just, you know, decompress, and like in that mindset of like, am I really like doing something right, you know, by coming online and like YouTube and like filming. And it's just like meeting her just made me feel like I was very like aligned and that I was doing something right. I think I mentioned that in that clip, and it just gave me more like of a confirmation, you get what I mean? It just felt very positive, and it gave me more of like that motivation to just like keep going and keep doing you. And you know, there's something that I feel that I have that is needed out there, and you know, it's just crazy. And I feel and it's so funny too, because this is the vlog where everybody has taken over my vlog and doing intros and stuff. So I just thought that was cute, and I just wanted to end it off on like, this video right now is #4 out of 10, and I'm just kind of like at 117 views. Like if you go look at that playlist, it's like I barely get like 30 views and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I see the feedback and I've gotten a lot of likes as well on that video. And you know, I never know how it's going to be received, and it just makes me feel like, okay, I got to do more of these. So I do have a lot more book recommendations coming up. I love reading, so, and I do have a lot of stories because I've been through some ish, okay? I've been through a lot of ish, and I've learned a lot, and I feel like I've grown a lot on the inside, especially. You know, my outside may not represent it as much as I would like it to, but all the work is on the inside, and I'm just so proud of myself, so proud of my journey, my healing journey, and I'm just so excited to be able to come on here and share that with you guys. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.